What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to our channel. It is Monday today, 19th of August. We're gonna have a look at euro dollar. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, I send out video analysis like this every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, talking about euro dollar, gold, and Bitcoin as well. So if you're looking for this type of information, make sure to subscribe right now, and you can also join our free Telegram channel. There's going to be a link in the description below this video. So anyways, let's see what's the deal with EU. We're going to start off from the higher time frames and then drop down to a lower time frame where I'm going to give you the levels and basically my idea of what is about to happen with price action here on this instrument. Now, this is the daily time frame. We've recently had this uptrend right here, which to me it looks like it has enough momentum to continue even higher. So the levels that I'm looking for is obviously the next resistance level, which is this major high here on the daily time frame, or pretty much right around the level of 1.11, I would say, as it is a psychological number. So I would expect if price, test this 1.11 level, then we should either see a pullback or at least some sort of market reaction up there. Okay. Now, if we are expecting that price will continue higher, we're obviously going to be looking for long trades, right? But in order to find a good setup, we should have good risk to reward ratio. And looking at price action currently, and it is pushing higher as we speak, we don't want to enter a long trade right at the top of the move, right? We need to wait for some sort of a pullback. We've already had a few pullbacks, but we need to see what's going to happen now. So I'm going to drop down to a lower time frame, the 1 hour time frame, for example, and I want to see where can I possibly look for buying positions. Now, if I have to be honest, last week I was expecting to see some sort of a pullback, which should give me a good entry level. For example, right here, retest of previous lows. That didn't happen. Instead of that, we were looking at those previous levels as well, also for a potential retracement up to around here, where I would eventually look to take a buy trade. Well, the market has been pushing up ever since. So, I think short term we may continue slightly higher, which means we may see a minor pullback within this move right here, and then a continuation higher. If that happens, I wouldn't expect such a big move in order for me to look for swing trading opportunities. What I mean by that is, if let's say we see a little bit of a pullback here and then a continuation higher, this could be traded on the lower time frames. Okay, but what I'm trying to do with those analysis here on our YouTube channel is to give you kind of a longer term idea, so you can know then what to expect from price. So that would help those of you who are focusing on the higher time frames, and also obviously those of you who are day traders can still take advantage of that information, because right now short term I am expecting continuation higher. I'm not going to be expecting for price to reach major highs, okay, but still 5-15 minute time frame could possibly present a buying opportunity within this move. All right. Now, for me to enter a trade on the 1 or the 4 hour time frame, I would definitely need to see, kind of a better pullback in order for me to enter a trade. Okay, so that means I would want to see price, let's say, testing this previous low, for example. Okay, we've got some previous structure here as well. So right around this low would be a good buy entry point. However, if I see some sort of a rejection right here, okay, let's see, we see price forming a long rejection wick to the upside, I would expect that deeper pullback, but I'm not going to be looking to take a sell trade. All right, there's quite enough momentum in this upward movement for me to look to sell. So I'm looking for this type of signal, but just to tell me that there's possibly a pullback coming. All right, so I can then prepare to go long at a lower price level. Okay, something else before we close the chart on euro dollar, I just wanted to quickly have a look at the dollar index. All right, so we've been looking at this downtrend here for a long time now, and obviously this downtrend, it is confirmed and it will most likely continue even lower. But in order for us to find good entries, obviously again we're looking for good risk to reward ratio setups, and this right here if we're looking to enter short, then where are we going to place our stop loss? It has to be above this high, right? Doesn't make a lot of sense. So that's why I am expecting to eventually see a pullback here on the dollar index as well, okay? Because that's pretty much the situation with the rest of the major pairs as well. Again, we're looking to take a long trade, but we're right at the top of the move. So that's why we need to see some sort of a pullback in order to enter the trade. And again, we've got some meetings. We've got Fed's power speech on Friday, so I am expecting that before the market close, we may have some volatility coming in the market. Any trades that you take throughout this week, I would say reduce the risk, go risk-free as soon as possible, and hopefully all goes in your favor. I'll see you guys in the next video. Check out all the links below this one, and make sure to leave a comment. Let me know what kind of setup you're looking for here on euro dollar and whether you want to buy or sell in this market. I'll see you in the next one.